One of the disappointments for me was that this agreed historical account that we'd worked so hard on never appeared in the final deed of settlement. And I think that was a big mistake. Apihae welcoming the governor in, of saying, welcome, welcome, there is my land. Go and pick the best part and put your people, I mean our people, on it. It's those things. You know, going to the court in 1868 and saying to Fenton, I didn't sell it. I didn't sell this land to them. I gave it to them, and I'm constantly looking for payment. It means, where is the reciprocity? Pāra Tu Haere, you know, was known as the father of Auckland. Why? Because he made himself available. He was there as an advisor to the provincial council. He spent time drafting legislation. He came up with a piece of legislation to enable people to lease the land around the Bastion Point so that they would provide funds for an endowment fund for our people. He was a man of the time and way beyond his time, a very generous, both of them, Apihae and Pāra, very generous and very engaging with the new economy and the settlers, trying to make everyone feel comfortable, trying to maintain his mana and the mana of Ngāti Whātua in this burgeoning new city. That, for me, is the tahuhu. That's our backbone. That's what we all need to understand. And that's the basis of our constant civic duty out there in the city. That's the reason we're doing it. It's the relationships we had with Hobson, with Fitzroy, with Grey, with Gore Brown, with Bowen, all of those governors in those early 20, 30 years, I think in the end was compromised by the Crown simply not willing to take a stand on acknowledgement of mana. And I think that's pretty rich when the Crown in the 1840s, 50s, 60s and 70s managed to deal with Ngāti Whātua and secure 80,000 acres of land, then yeah, I think that's, and it's no wonder then that this issue is still on the cards to be resolved. And if you're going to have a relationship, you cannot have it dominated by one view only. And even United Nations would agree with that.